my channel. We're doing 2 silent products. Are you ready? Let's go! This with walking elephant and walking water. We're doing walking water first because it takes forever. For walking water, we need paper towel, 5 bowls, a little bit of water,
okay,
and some food coloring. Put out the stuff out of the way so we put the bowls in line. Every other bowl.
Okay. All right. So now we're gonna grab some food coloring. Pick your color.
Blue.
Okay, and we're gonna put a couple of drops in each bowl. 1, 2, 3, and grab another color. Yellow.
Yep.
Okay. Kamara picked red. Perfect. Okay.
So we're gonna take some paper towel out and we're gonna fold it. And we're gonna put it in the bowls.
I'm going to help you as well. It's okay, just take the rest out. Okay, and I'm gonna get one as well. We're gonna fold it in half. Perfect, and then we're gonna fold it in half again. Just like that, see? Because it's too long for our bowls, we're gonna cut it.
So it'll fit inside the bowls.
Okay. So we're gonna put that aside because we need, so let's make 2 more. You grab one and I'll grab another one.
Now I'm gonna hand it to my mom.
Okay.
Because it's too long, we want to fit in the bowl too.
I'm gonna cut it just a little bit.
Put these in the bowls.
Okay.
Girl, Mom, it's absorbing fast.
Whoa. You see that? It's already turning red.
Whoa, it's already turning yellow. Okay.
Okay, we put it just like that. That's already turning yellow too. Just putting the last one on.
Whoa, it's turning blue.
Okay, now we gotta wait a little because it takes a little bit long for it to absorb.
Things we need for walking elephant.
Okay.
Food coloring, developer, dish soap, glove, goggles.
For safety.
Yep. Yeast.
And measuring cups.
2 water bottles are empty and warm water. The things are traveling pretty fast. The red and yellow is traveling really fast.
We'll keep you
Put
posted.
the stuff, so we put the ball in the middle. Okay, now it's in the middle. Now I'm gonna put my safety goggles on. Now I'm gonna put my gloves on. You can see where I opened the yeast, and we're gonna grab the ½ teaspoon. And we're gonna do it 4 times because we have 2 water bottles. Are
1,
2, 3, 4.
Perfect. And now you're gonna grab the tablespoon.
Okay, I got
Put
the
2 tablespoons
Yep.
of warm water.
Yep.
Here you go. I'll help you a little. There you go. A little bit more.
Thanks.
Does it stink? All right.
And also the developer.
Developer.
The developer.
And we're gonna grab 1 cup of measuring, and we're gonna pour half of in to make it half a cup.
Yep, and we're gonna pour in both of them because we have 2 bottles.
And Kamora's gonna grab this.
Yep.
All the way. See? All right, now we're gonna do the same thing for the other bottle.
Yep.
I'm gonna fill up to the halfway. Yeah, and now she's going to. Okay, now we're gonna put that away, and then we're gonna grab the dish soap.
Yep.
And we're gonna pour some dish soap in there. Another one. You see it's going down at the bottom. And then now we're going to put couple drops of food coloring. Which color would you like?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, then we'll put some blue on this one.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Which color next?
Red.
Okay.
Because red and blue makes purple and I was like...
It's okay.
1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
As you can see, it's all watery.
Pour a little bit
Of yeast.
Yep. You see that? It's blowing up. Whoa, whoa, the other one's faster. Oh, look at that. It's like the red one's faster than the blue one. Oh, look at that one. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm. It's really...
What's it feel like? Foamy and warm.
Oh, I can feel the hotness.
You can?
Yeah.
You want to eat some?
Ew, no.
Why not? It looks yummy. It looks like toothpaste. Here.
The blue one's slow and the red one's faster.
Michelle, mix it. Kind of looks like a slushie.
You can see the walking water is developing, and yellow and red will make something, and there was never water in here before.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yep. And yellow and blue, it's making green, and you can see there's green coming on. Walking elephant, the red has exploded more because we put a lot of yeast in it. So there's more red in here than blue.
It still is going, huh?
Yeah.
You see it rising a little bit more?
And the red stops, so
What does it feel like, Kamora?
it feels like foam.
Like bubbles?
Bubble foam. My video, like my channel. Bye!